We've completely refreshed the design of our existing profile and business cards, bringing a refreshed look, powerful customization options, and new ways to connect with your audience. Collect their information and make a stronger first impression. Let's learn what has changed. You can now personalize your digital card with custom cover images, professionally designed templates, and custom color palettes that apply to your entire build. Add custom links with a customizable icon to your profile or business card to move leads into your websites, booking links, social profiles, and other pages, making your card both functional and visually engaging. Streamline contact capture by enabling Open by Default to immediately display the form and automatic download to add your contact info directly onto the visitor's device. Let's learn how to enable this option in your profile and business card QR codes. Head to the QR Codes tab inside the Sites section and open the QR Code Builder. Select a profile or business card to use the new styling options. Enable and configure your Exchange contact form. You can use existing forms or create new ones if needed. Publish your QR code and start sharing your upgraded digital business card. All new customization options are available directly within the QR Code Builder, granting you full control over how your audience interacts with your digital card. You must update existing assets manually to take advantage of these new capabilities. We hope you enjoy it.